Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition. You should buy this product or not. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, when you visit on internet you will find there are hundreds of websites are selling same type of watch. Okay, so you can see, like you can see over here, there are so many websites. They are all selling same watch. Okay, but the actual costing of the product is like very high. You can see like 72 or 73,000 rupees. I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing. So if we talk about, like, you should try this watch or not. So you can also see the same watch is available on you can say like on amazon.com, but right now this is currently out of stock. And this watch is also available on Huawei official website, and there are some websites also who are selling the same website, you can say like same watch. But the thing is, like, you should be very careful if you are going to purchase this product. Please purchase this product only on official websites, because in today's time there are so many scams is happening. And you can see the same watch is also available on these kind of platforms like Alibaba and all. So you need to be very careful. Okay, don't try to purchase this watch on any other websites, because this is a dropshipping product also. With the name of these kind of, you can say like, websites are selling, you can say like, these kind of websites are using images and they are selling you can say like copy of the, you can say like, watches. Okay, so be very careful, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.